Hi guys, it's Avas from Tandy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if camera is missing in Device Manager on Windows 10. So let's get started. So simply goes to Start button, click on Settings, and here click on Privacy. Click on Camera. Allow apps to access your camera. So turn on this and restart your PC. It may fix your problem, but if does not, so the second method is simply goes to Start button, right click on it, click on Device Manager. Simply click here for scan hardware changes, and here you can see my problem is fixed. Your problem will be also fixed by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.